Hello students, welcome to our class. We have started the topic lesson number 6, that is factors and multiples, and we have completed activity number 1. Now we will discuss about the facts about factors and multiples. Okay, we will discuss about the some properties about factors and multiples. Now very first property is that factors and multiples are interrelated to each other. Means what? Take example of this property, that if 12 is a multiple of 3, then 3 is a factor of 12. See here, very first property is that factors and multiples are interrelated to each other. Okay, means what? If 12 is a multiple of 3, then we can say 3 is a factor of 12, or if 3 is a factor of 12, then we can say that 12 is a multiple of 3, vice versa. Okay, so interrelated means this. So see that example, if 12 is a multiple of 3, now I will prove that. See here, if 12 is a multiple of 3, consider the first statement. Now if 12 is a multiple of 3 means what? 12 is a multiple of 3 means what? If we multiply 3 by 4, it gives 12. Therefore we say that 12 is a multiple of 3. So 12 is a multiple of 3, what implies 3 into 4 gives 12, and this statement implies that 3 is a factor of 12 and 4 is also a factor of 12. Okay, so this statement implies 3 is a factor of 12. Okay, so if 12 is a multiple of 3, then 3 is a factor of 12, it proves. Okay, so every factors and multiples are interrelated to each other. Means what? If 12 is a multiple of 3, then we can say that 3 is a factor of 12. Okay, now the second property is that every number is a multiple of 1 and itself. So see, the second property is that every number is a multiple of 1 and itself. Every number means if we can take any number, just take a number as, let's take number 30. Okay, so every number is a multiple of 1. So we know 30 into 1 gives you 30. Okay, so given number 30 is a multiple of 1 and multiple of itself. Okay, so see here, 30 is a multiple of 1 and 30, means 30 is a multiple of 1 and itself. Okay, so if we take any number, then this property proves. If we can take 15, then we know 15 into 1 gives 15. So 15 is a multiple of 15 and 1, means 15 is a multiple of 1 and itself. Means every number, if you take every number is a multiple of 1 and itself, because when we multiply any number by 1, it gives same number. Okay, so every number is a multiple of 1 and itself. Now see the third property is that 0 is a multiple of all number. 0 is a multiple of all number. Means what? How this property proves 0 is a multiple of all number? So take example, 0 is a multiple of all number means what? When we know that when we multiply any number by 0, it gives 0. When we multiply any number by 0, it gives 0, and so on. Okay, so it gives 0. So by this statement we can say that 0 is a multiple of 1 and 0 is a multiple of 2 and 0. Repeated number we count only one times. Okay, 0 is a multiple of 3 also. As if you continue, then we understood that 0 is a multiple of all numbers 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on. So 0 is a multiple of all number. Okay, 0 is a multiple of all number. Now there is a fourth property, the smallest multiple of number. The smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. Is the number itself. Full stop. All other multiples are greater than the number. Okay, so next property about the factors and multiples is, so this is property of multiple. The smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. All other multiples are greater than the number. So by example I will prove that. So see here, the smallest multiple of number, so any number, so take any number. So I take a number as, suppose to take number 15. Okay, so see, smallest multiple of number 15. So we first find multiples of 15. So first multiple of 15 is 15, second multiple of 15 is 30, third multiple of 15 is 45, fourth multiple of 15 is 60, fifth multiple of 15 is 75 and so on. So see, what is the first multiple of 15 is 15, then 30, then 45, 60 and so on are multiples of 15. Okay, now see here, the smallest multiple of 15, of a number 15. So see, the smallest multiple is 15. The smallest multiple of 15 is 15. So see here, the smallest multiple of number is the number itself. So see here, smallest multiple of 15 is 15 itself. Okay, so first statement is proved. Now see, all other multiples are greater than the number. Now see, all other multiples 30, 45, 60, all these multiples are greater than a number 15. So the smallest multiple of any number is a number itself, and other multiples are greater than that number. Okay, so here we have proved this property also. Now see the fifth property. And what is the fifth property? Fifth property is that the multiples of any number, are infinite. Infinite means what? Infinite means uncountable. We cannot count. Okay, uncountable. Infinite means uncountable. We cannot count. So the multiples of any number. Now see example. If we find the multiple of any number, so I take number 5. Okay, now find the multiples of 5. So 5 into 1 gives 5, 5 into 2 gives 10, 5 into 3 gives 15 and so on. So you can find infinite numbers of multiples. So this is first multiple of 5, second multiple of 5, third multiple of 5. As like this you can find infinite multiples of number 5. So the multiples of any number are infinite. Infinite means we cannot count. Okay, now see property number 6. Property number 6 is that the smallest factor of a number is 1, and the greatest factor is the number itself. This is property about factor. Now as we have prove the smallest multiple of the number is number itself and all other multiples are greater than the number. And here the smallest factor of number is 1. Every number, the smallest factor of any number is 1, and the greatest factor is the number itself. Now see how this prove. Now take example. First find factor of a number. So I take number as suppose 20. Okay, now first find the factor of 20. How we find the factor of 20? We know which we find the numbers which gives products 20. So 20 into 1 gives 20, 10 into 2 gives 20, 5 into 4 gives 20, and so there are only these numbers. 20 into 1 gives 20, 10 into 2 gives 20, 5 into 4 gives 20. Okay, so see 1, 20, 2, 10, 4, 5. So see, then by this we can say that the 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. These 6 are factors of 20. Are factors of 20. Now see that these are the factors of 20. Now see that the smallest factor is 1. The smallest factor of any number is always 1, and the greatest factor, so see all these factors are lied between 1 and 20. Okay, so smallest is 1, greatest is 20. So the greatest factor is the number itself. Now see, the smallest factor of 20 is 1, and the greatest factor of 20 is 20 itself. Okay, so for any number, the property will prove the smallest factor of any number is 1 and the greatest factor is the number itself. By this example we have proved this. Now see the property number 7. And what is the property number 7? The factors of any number are finite. See, we have discussed that the multiples of any number are infinite, means we cannot count how many multiples are there. There are infinite number of multiples for any numbers, but in case of factors, the factors of any number are finite. Finite means we can count. Okay, means limited. Finite means limited also, limited or countable. Okay, finite means. So to prove this property, we consider the previous example. Now see that here we have find the factors of 20. See, factors of 20, how many factors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So see, there are only 6 factors for 20, and 6 means there are limited factors or finite factors. So if you find factors of any number, they are in limited quantity. Okay, so by previous example we can say that the factors of any number are finite or limited or countable. Okay, now take property number 8. Property number 8 is that the only number which is multiple as well as the factor is the number itself. Means what? The number itself is a multiple also as well as factor. The number itself, okay, for every number the number itself is a multiple and factor. So see example. See, if we know 1 into 5 gives 5. Okay, so by this statement, see that 5 is a multiple of 1 and 5. Means what? 5 is a multiple of 5. 5 is a multiple of 5. By this statement we can say that 5 is a multiple of 5, and also we say that 5 is a factor of 5. 5 is a factor of 5, means that the only number which is multiple as well as factor is the number itself. itself. So 5 is a multiple of 5 and 5 is a factor of 5. So the number itself is a multiple as well as the factor. Okay. So we have discussed properties about factors and multiples. Okay, and I think you have understood all this property with examples. Okay, thank you.